The fridge is leaking water. I noticed the fridge is leaking water on the floor. The freezer is too frosty. The freezer is too frosty and hard to close. The stovetop is greasy. I need to wipe it because the stovetop is too greasy. The oven is not heating. The oven is not heating, and my food is still raw. The microwave plate is not rotating. The plate inside the microwave is not spinning. The sink is clogged. I can't wash dishes because the sink is full of water. The faucet is dripping. The faucet is dripping even after turning it off. The dish rack is rusty. The dish rack is rusty at the bottom. The toaster is burning the bread. The toaster keeps burning my bread. The spoon is bent. I found a spoon that's bent in the drawer. The grater is rusty. My cheese grater is rusty and unsafe to use. The sponge smells bad. The sponge smells bad after a few uses. The backsplash is dirty. The backsplash is dirty from oil splashes. The water filter is expired. I forgot to change the water filter, and it's expired. The rice has bugs. I opened the rice bag and found little bugs inside. The eggs got smashed in the bag. My eggs got smashed inside the shopping bag. The cat jumps on the counter. My cat keeps jumping on the kitchen counter. Pancakes keep sticking to the pan. My pancakes keep sticking and breaking apart no matter how much oil I use. The cake sinks in the middle. My cake always sinks in the middle after baking. Cookies keep burning on the bottom. My cookies keep burning underneath and staying raw on top. The egg cracked while boiling. I boiled some eggs, but one cracked and leaked everywhere. The lemon juice squirted in my eye. I squeezed a lemon and it squirted straight into my eye. The potatoes started sprouting. I opened the cupboard and saw the potatoes had sprouted. The soup boiled over the pot. I forgot to lower the heat, and the soup boiled over. The mixer splashed batter everywhere. The mixer was too fast and splashed cake batter everywhere. The trash is overflowing. The trash can is overflowing and the lid won't close. The kettle lid is broken. I can't close it because the kettle lid is broken. The countertop gets messy when I cook. When I cook, the whole countertop gets messy. The fridge gets dirty inside. The fridge becomes dirty quickly with food stains. The dishes pile up quickly. The sink fills up fast with dirty dishes after meals. Dust gathers fast in the kitchen. Even after cleaning, dust gathers quickly in my kitchen. Cups stain with tea. My cups always have brown stains after tea. Flour gets everywhere when I bake. I have to clean the floor because flour falls there too. Cleaning takes longer than cooking. Cooking is quick, but cleaning takes forever.